Linear algebra paper 2 question 16. Find ordered basis of V4 relative to which the vector -1, 3, 2, 1 has the coordinate 4, 1, -2 and 7. You look at this question. In this question I am asking you to find the ordered basis of a vector space V4. Earlier I was asking you to find out the whether a given set of vectors is a basis or not. In this question I have given you a coordinate vector and the vector -1, 3, 2, 1. This is the coordinate vector corresponding to this vector, and I'm asking you to find out the ordered basis of V4. For that, what you will do, you will consider 1 0 0 0 A B C D 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 0 1, an ordered basis of V4. 3 elements are already known, 1 is unknown. I will find out this unknown element in this set. How I will do it? Because it is given that -1, 3, 2, 1 has the coordinate 4, 1, -2 and 7. So relative to this basis, the above basis, I can write this vector as a linear combination with these scalars. So when I have written the given vector as a linear combination of the elements from the basis set with the help of this scalar 4, 1, -2 and 7, then I realize that 4 plus A is equal to -1, B is equal to 3, A is equal to C is equal to 2 and D is equal to 6. And these A, B, C, D values, when put in the given set, you will get the ordered basis of the V4. So this is how you find out the ordered basis when a given vector, when there is a given vector and its coordinate vector also. Now in this question you have to find out the linear transformation. Question number 17. You have to find out the linear transformation from r cube to r square such that t111 is equal to 2, 1, t110 is equal to 3, 2, 1, t100 is equal to 2, 1. So first I will show you that this v1, v2, v3 form a basis of r cube. How I have proved it? I have made the linear combination of these three vectors v1, v2, v3 and then equated to 0, and then I obtained alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 equal to 0, which were the scalars. Therefore this basis set, this set which was constituted by v1, v2 and v3 will be the basis of r cube. Now because B is the basis of r cube, therefore any element in r cube can be written as linear combination of v1, v2 and v3. So any element v equal to x, y, z is equal to alpha v1 plus beta v2 plus gamma v3. So v1 is given to v11, v2 is given to v110 and v3 is equal to 100. You make some algebraic manipulation over here and you will get x is equal to alpha is equal to z, beta is equal to y minus z and gamma is equal to x minus z. That is, you are finding this alpha, beta and gamma in terms of x and y, x, y and z. Now this x, y, z is nothing but v, and you have written v as linear combination of v1, v2, v3 with the help of scalars alpha, beta, gamma. Now you apply t on both sides. When you apply t on both sides, you will get tv is equal to z tv1 plus beta tv2 plus gamma tv3. But tv1 is given to be 2, 1, tv2 is also 2, 1, tv3 is also given to be 2, 1. Now again you have done some algebra over here and found that txyz equal to 2x plus 2y plus 2z comma minus y. Thank you.